Is it the right time to buy or sell Bitfarms Ltd stock? In this video, we'll delve into Bitfarms Ltd. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed and don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 28, 2023, our system has given Bitfarms Ltd a hold/accumulate ranking, with a score of 0.40. Now let's delve into how the stock has performed during this time frame. Remarkably, Bitfarms Ltd has surpassed our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 94.03% since we first recommended buying it 31 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 3.03% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $2.34 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 188.87% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 160.29% and 335.95%. On the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.63% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -32.31% and 100.5%. In terms of price, it could range from $1.76 to $5.21 after a year. Our latest update on Bitfarms Ltd brings you exciting news: big movements in Bitfarms Ltd stock price on Thursday, with a 33.73% fluctuation between the high and low. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, the Bitfarms Ltd stock price experienced a decrease of 13.33%, dropping from $3 to $2.60. Throughout the trading day, the stock price varied by 33.73%, starting at a low of $2.54 and reaching a high of $3.39. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 25.93%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 29 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the associated risk over the next few days. In total, 59 million shares were bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $154.31 million. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $3.56 and its lowest price of $0.680. Currently, the price is 26.97%, or 96 cents, below the 52-week high and 74%, or $7.40, below the all-time high on December 28, 2020, when the price reached $10. Analyst ratings. In the latest update on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, Barclays has given BITF a positive buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have given Bitfarms Ltd stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a favorable indicator, suggesting a buy rating. Similarly, the price-to-book ratio is also seen as a potential buying opportunity. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Let's analyze the signals for Bitfarms Ltd. Currently, the Bitfarms Ltd stock shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This suggests that the stock has a general buy signal, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $2.85. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $2.41. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -25.93%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It's advisable to closely monitor the stock in light of these signals. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots show a sell signal 11 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 55 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 55 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Bitfarms Ltd. Bitfarms Ltd has found support from accumulated volume at $2.59. This level may present a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. In the past day, the stock has experienced a price range of 86 cents, which accounts for 33.73% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 16.74%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on March 19, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are projected at $0.0300. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Today, we'll explore potential day trading levels for Bitfarms Ltd. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bitfarms Ltd stands at $2.72. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could provide an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Bitfarms Ltd encounters its first support level at $2.59. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $2.47, which corresponds to a decrease of 5.04%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is Bitfarms Ltd stock a good buy? Bitfarms Ltd currently shows several negative signals, which may make it a sell candidate. However, considering the potential for a turnaround situation, it could also be considered a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares while waiting for further development. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, our analysis conclusion has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Bitfarms Ltd is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 12th, we expect Bitfarms Ltd to open up $0.242 and start trading at $2.84. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.